Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different. I'm gonna talk about switch words or angel numbers for manifesting a good career, good new job. So let's get started. First, let's understand what switch words or mantras or angel numbers are. So, switch words are powerful one word commands that directly talk to your subconscious mind and activate desired energy instantly. They work like energetic shortcuts to manifest goals easily. फॉर इंस्टेंस सोते समय जब आप अलार्म सेट करते हो आपके मोबाइल पे और वेर एवर द अलार्म इज सेट एंड यू सेट इट अप लेट्स से आई हैव टू वेक अप एट 5 a.m. in the morning and instead of setting up the alarm if you just tell yourself 3 times before sleeping please I have to wake up at 5 a.m. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड वो सुन लेता है एंड आप देखोगे नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ऑटोमेटिकली अराउंड 5 a.m. you will get up on your own without even any alarm. So that is how the powerful our subconscious mind works. So this similarly acts as your switch word for for your subconscious mind that this is a command you have given and this is what you're supposed to do. So some of the examples given here are together, divine order, reach, and now. So if I talk about now, which says brings instant manifestation energy. For example, a mother calling his or her child, a mother calling her child, you have to come here right now, stop playing, come here right now. So the child listens to the mother. The child comes back home immediately. He is frightened, he is afraid of her mother, with due respect, is back home. So that is a command, that is the message to the, or that it becomes a switch word for the child to act immediately. So, not going into too much details, these are some of the examples which you can use as a single word or with a combination of words to form a switch word or a phrase and then get your work done. So, now if we talk about angel numbers, what are they? So, angel numbers are repeating number patterns that carry the divine messages or energy and vibrations from the universe and your guardian angels. तो इनका पर्पस वही होता है कि आपको अलाइनमेंट मिला है, आपके लिए कोई मैसेज दे, आपको हेल्प करें एंड दे ओनली अपीयर और यू स्टार्ट सीइंग देम ओनली व्हेन यू आर रियली विशिंग टू गेट समथिंग मैनिफेस्टेड badly. So yeah, these are the angel numbers and that's their purpose. They help you receive guidance, assurance and clarity on your life path, especially when manifesting goals like a dream job. अच्छा, ये आपने ना कभी नोटिस किया होगा, अब तक अगर नहीं किया होगा तो अभी आप देखना कि इफ़ यू आर सीइंग दीज नंबर्स ऐसे ही सडनली रास्ते पे जा रहे, ट्रैफिक में हैं, ऑफिस जा रहे, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हैं और यू आर सीइंग दीज नंबर्स एज ऑन द नंबर प्लेट्स ऑफ द कार्स और द व्हीकल्स, जैसे 111 इट इंडिकेट्स न्यू बिगिनिंग्स, अलाइनमेंट विद पर्पस, 222 स्टे, देयर टाइमिंग इज वर्किंग, 333 is ascended masters guiding you, 888 is abundance and career success, and there are many more numbers like 1 to 9 obviously, and they have their different meanings. So let's see what are some different angel numbers which can help you guide in your career success. Okay, so these are some of the angel numbers for promotion and growth. So सबसे पहले है 717. This is typically used for upgrade and leadership position. 808 for financial stability, 888 for abundance and reward, and 909 is for closing cycles and new doors. अब इन नंबर्स को हमें यूज़ कैसे करना है? सो अगर आपकी कोई विश है जो इन चारों कैटेगरीज में फुलफिल हो रही है या फिट हो रही है एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट यू वांट, सो यू नीड टू पिक दैट एंजल नंबर एंड राइट इट ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड या लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी with a green pen, and that's it. Go for it and chant these numbers. Just for example, 888 है तो keep on chanting 888 या 888 888, which is for abundance and reward, and definitely you will see that you are getting a little bit or more reward in your office या abundance के doors open हो रहे हैं. Similarly you can do for other angel numbers as well. अच्छा, अब कुछ एंजल नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जो फॉर इंस्टेंट जॉब मैनिफेस्टेशन के लिए, समवन लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू जॉब या फिर करंट जॉब आपको छोड़ना है या लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, दीज आर द एंजल नंबर्स. इफ़ यू राइट डबल वन 4 times 1 on your left hand with a green pen. रिस्ट पे लिखो, लेफ्ट बॉडी पार्ट पे लिखो, इट मीन्स डोरवे ओपन्स इंस्टेंटली। आप इसको ट्राई करके देख सकते हैं, मैनिफेस्ट करके देख सकते हैं, लिंक्डइन पे देख सकते हैं, आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दिख रही है, पॉपअप हो रही है, या कहीं से भी आपका फ्रेंड बता रहा है या रेफरेंस के थ्रू कुछ पता चल रहा है। 1212 is just divine timing. 1414 action creates opportunity. 1919 manifest your offer now. So I'll recommend writing all these four numbers together when you're looking for job manifestation, instant job manifestation, and keep writing until you receive any offer in your hand. And when you're writing these numbers every day, what affirmation you have to say is, I am fully ready and aligned to receive my dream job now. Now is the switch word here. Okay, so I am fully ready and aligned to receive my dream job now. Keep repeating this for 5 to 10 minutes and see the results. Now these were some of the options for angel words या angel numbers, sorry. अब switch words कैसे यूज़ करें? अगर आपको angel numbers नहीं लिखने हैं and you have to just keep chanting, या आपको कुछ लिख के अपने पर्स में पॉकेट में रखना है, so you can use this switch word mantra, which is highlighted in cyan color. Divine order now, reach dream job. When you are chanting, you have to chant this as an entire phrase. Divine order now, reach dream job. Divine order now, reach dream job. इसको आप 108 बार चैंट करो या जितना भी हो सके. यू डोंट हैव टू काउंट, कीप चैंटिंग फॉर 5 to 10 मिनट्स विद ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड फोकस. अब इसका मीनिंग एंड एनर्जी इसमें से क्या प्रोड्यूस हो रही है is a divine order means align the timing, that is I need it right now, right? So now activates instant flow. Reach is direct energy आपको help कर रही है to get the dream job, and dream job is anchors your vision. So whatever is your dream job in your mind, you have to think about it when you are chanting this. आप ट्राई करो, और अगर आप इसको कॉम्बिनेशन विद दोज एंजल नंबर्स करते हो तो इट इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. आप इसको एक वाइट पेपर चिट पे लिख लो, ग्रीन पेन से लिख सकते हो, बट राइट इट इन दिस कैपिटल लेटर्स इट्सेल्फ. डिवाइन ऑर्डर नाउ, रीच ड्रीम जॉब. उसके नीचे पहले जो बताए हैं एंजल नंबर्स उसको भी आप लिख लो. चिट आप अपने वॉलेट में रख लो, आपके पास रख लो, या फिर आप इसको सिर्फ चैंट भी कर सकते हो, या लिख के मोबाइल नंबर के सॉरी आपके मोबाइल के कवर में भी आप रख सकते हो. एंड देन ट्राई इट आउट. Now once you're done with this with chanting, a final gratitude and energy sealing कहते हैं that thank you universe, my dream job is already mine. ये आपको सोचना है, कहना है, and trust me, just blindly faith रख के आप ये try करो. I'm pretty sure it is gonna work for you. Now what next? Now try these things, but if you have any other advanced things or other wishes to come true, for example career में powerful and instant results चाहिए, foreign settlement चाहिए, visa approval चाहिए, job promotion चाहिए, handle politics at office, या फिर new job चाहिए altogether, interview में success चाहिए, get selected and offer letter तक जाना है, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत सारे multiple rounds होते हैं. So to manifest instant results for all of these options or all of these questions, I request you to put down into the comment section and let me know if you really want the switch words or angel numbers working for these each situation as well specific situations as well, and I'll create another video for it या फिर मैं shorts में add कर दूँगी. But let me know how do you like this video. There is another video I posted yesterday which is subliminal. That is one of my experiment I'm doing, and definitely it is a success because I tried it out with few of my friends and it's really worked for them. It is doing wonders. I tried it myself as well to manifest something. I was trying it out and next day I heard something good opportunity for myself in my job for a new role. So I definitely highly recommend you to please have a blind trust, blind faith, and try this out. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Keep subscribing and keep sharing, liking and commenting down to my videos. See you into the next video. Let me know what you would like to hear next. Thank you. Bye.